Hello there, hi guys, welcome back. I'm sorry I forgot to post videos for 2 weeks. It's just I've been tied up with school and everything, with the exams coming up. I don't really have time for it, but today I found the time to do it. And today I'm going to be showing you guys the different types of binders and how they work, and I'm also going to be putting at the end of the video a chart to see your dimensions and see what type of binder you would need if you were looking for a binder yourself or for a friend, family member, whomever. I only have 2 types of binders with me. I'm pretty sure there's only 2 types, but I could be completely wrong. I used Underworks for my binders. Binder, which is the one that cuts half, cuts right here. I also have another one that is down to your waist, but they work the same as the one that's up to your rib cage, so I'm not really going to show that one. And I also have a swimming binder to use when you're swimming or in the pool. I'm a size L in binders, so this might look a little big, because I'm a little big. But here's what the half binder looks like. Looks like this. And everything, okay, one con of it is that the parts of your shirt, these little fibers of your shirt can get stuck on it, but otherwise it seems fine. Second type of binder is a swimming binder. It looks like this and it goes all the way down to your waist, just like the long binder. There could be ones that go up to your rib cage, but I have not found one like that. Looks like this, it just goes on, you wear it like a shirt, you can wear a shirt over it. I don't judge you, I don't mind. I'm probably going to wear a shirt over this too. To keep your binders nice and clean, I recommend cleaning them normally like how you would your normal clothes, unless there's different types of ways to do it, like written in the packaging. Then follow that instruction, obviously. I'm wearing the other binder, the half one right now. It looks like it isn't doing much, but it is. I'm normally a C cup, but right now I am not even a cup, hopefully. So this one looks normally. I'm not going to take my shirt off. Don't ask. Stop. Stop in the comments. I see you. I can see you ready to stop. Erase that right now. I swear. Good. Good. On to you. I do not recommend getting a binder that is too small for you. I don't care if you want it as flat as possible. It can be very, very damaging for you, and you will later regret it in the future, I promise you. Do not exercise very heavily in your binder because it can cause bone bruising, and even in worst cases, it can crack your ribs. Plus, in my opinion, it's just not very comfortable. Also, do not put on a wet binder. It can be very hard, and it is just very icky. I do not like it either. Don't wear your binder for more than 12 hours. And I know dysphoria is a butt. I know it sucks like crazy. I'm feeling really dysphoric right now too. I'm surprised even making this video with you looking at me in the face. Don't do it. You can damage yourself so much. I know dysphoria sucks. I know it's so bad, but please don't do that. I'd say we should test out both the binders, but I'm already wearing one, so how about we go test out the swimming one? See you there. Hello, we're gonna see if this binder really works. And how am I gonna do that, you may ask? Well, just gonna have some fun, shall we? My weird dog. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!